Good evening. We welcome you to our ongoing program. We will be starting the program in few minutes time. We are admitting the participants now. Good evening, participants. CPR Environmental Education Center, Chennai welcomes you to our ongoing program. Today, we are celebrating the National Pollution Control Day on December 2, 2020. Air, facts, composition of air. The Earth's atmosphere consists of a mixture of various gases surrounding the Earth. The gaseous atmosphere contains 79% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and traces of other rare gases. This balance of gases in our atmosphere should be undisturbed. But industrialization and modernization have started affecting the atmosphere badly, resulting in air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is perhaps the most common and the most dangerous type of pollution. It involves the direct release of chemicals into the environment. The chemicals then become the part of air around us that all the living things take in. Impacts of air pollution. Air pollution is known to cause irritation of the eyes, headache, sore throat, fever, wheezing, and even cancer. Plants, land, water, monuments, and buildings are also affected by pollutants generated by industries and vehicles. Sources of air pollution. Natural. Natural contaminants like bacteria, fungi, spores, cyst, methane, dust, etc. Carbon monoxide from methane gas. Volcanic eruptions, forest fires, electric storms and solar flares, salt spray from oceans, dust storms. Sources of air pollution, man-made, rapid industrialization, automobiles, deforestation. Air pollutants are dust, smoke, fly ash, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen fluoride, chlorine, and hydrocarbons. Health effects of air pollution. Carbon monoxide reduces oxygen carrying capacity of blood poisoning, central nervous system impairment. Sulfur dioxide, breathing difficulties, irritation of throat and eyes. Nitrogen oxide, respiratory irritation, headache, loss of appetite, corrosion of teeth, and lung problem. H2S, headache, sleeplessness, eye pain, respiratory tract irritation. Suspended particle matters, respiratory diseases, toxicity from metallic dust, silicosis, and asbestosis form specific dust, HC, carcinogenic. Air facts continue. Acid rain. Acid rain caused by industrial emissions of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen gives rise to increased acidity in the soil, defoliation of plants, and also the death of aquatic organisms. The gases from factories and vehicle exhausts are responsible for the acidification of the atmosphere, producing acid rain, which then contaminates groundwater. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone is the gas in the stratosphere which screens out the lethal ultraviolet rays from the sun. Depletion of the ozone layer leads to many problems, including cataract and skin cancer, release of chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigerators, fire extinguishers, and aerosol spray cans, and other industrial applications of CFC destroy the ozone layer. Automobiles, source of major air pollution. The automobile is man's most lethal invention. Apart from depleting our limited reserves of oil, the fumes of exhaust, which contain nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and other gases, create air pollution. They react with sunlight to produce photochemical smog, a dense blanket of pollution which affects many big cities. Trees, the guardian of healthy air. Trees convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. The removal of tree cover to facilitate the growth of cities and the increase in release of toxic gases into the atmosphere has resulted in intense air pollution. Clean air solutions. Action for clean air at domestic level. At the domestic level, exposure to smoke while cooking can be curtailed by the adoption of cleaner fuels, improved stoves, better ventilation, and the use of biogas. Smokeless chulas reduce exposure to smoke. Do not burn domestic waste. Backyard burning is also responsible for pollution. Start smoking tobacco. It spoils the health of a smoker and passive smokers too. Vehicles. Keep your vehicle properly maintained and tuned to be energy efficient and less polluting. Regular tests for automobile emissions are now compulsory. Legislation to control vehicular emissions is now in place in India. Get your car certified for emission standards. People should be encouraged to share their vehicles or use public transport. This would mean lesser traffic on the road and thus lesser pollution. Instead of using your cars and two-wheelers, choose to walk or ride a bicycle whenever possible. Lobbying for clean air. Small pressure groups should be formed to influence industries to install filters, electrostatic precipitators, scrubbers, etc. to control atmospheric pollution. Plan campaigns in schools and colleges on simple issues such as the ill effects of smoking and substitutes for domestic fuel consumption such as smokeless chulas, etc. Mobilize your immediate locality to protest against local polluting industries. Pressurize the government by writing letters to the press motivating the media, and contacting the local MP or MLA. If everyone keeps his immediate environment clean, the macro environment automatically becomes cleaner. Poster developed by CPR Environmental Education Center on air pollution. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is an ever-increasing problem in cities. The roar of cars, the blaring of loudspeakers, the shouts of vendors, the din of machines cause tension, stress, headaches, and in some cases, deafness. Sources of water in India. The average rainfall in India is about 1200 millimeters. It is a little above the global mean precipitation of 990 millimeters. The biggest problem with India's water resources is that it varies greatly over both time and space. Nearly 3/4 of India's rain comes pouring down during the 4 months of the monsoon. For the rest of the year, the country remains relatively dry. There are 14 major, 44 medium, and 55 minor river basins in our country. India has an annual exploitable groundwater of 26.5 million hectare meters. India's groundwater resources are about 10 times its annual rainfall, but this water is declining in many areas due to the increasing number of tube wells. Misuse and pollution of water. Fresh water, the fluid of life, is subjected to misuse and degradation in India. Irrigation accounts for 92% of the water consumed, and the remaining 8% is used for domestic and industrial needs. There are many causes for water pollution, but two general categories exist: direct and indirect contaminant sources. Direct sources include effluent outfalls from factories, refineries, waste treatment plants, etc. Indirect sources include contaminants that enter the water supply from soils and groundwater systems and from the atmosphere via rainwater. What kind of impurities? Water does contain suspended impurities, dissolved impurities. Suspended impurities are bacteria, algae, protozoan, viruses, silt, clay, colloids, metal oxides, and hydroxides. Dissolved impurities, total dissolved solids, is simply called as TDS. What diseases are caused by bacteria and virus? Bacteria, cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, dysentery. Virus, polio, jaundice. Impacts of water pollution. The impact of polluted water in India is felt in many spheres. Diseases, both waterborne and infectious, are spreading. Residual chemicals enter into the food chain and cause biomagnified concentration of toxins in animals and humans. Waterborne diseases such as typhoid, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, and dysentery account for 66% of all illnesses in India. Wetlands, which act as a buffer for floods, purifiers of wastewater, and nurseries for fish and wildlife, are being drained with no regard for their economic value. Water pollution prevention. Wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment consists of removing pollutants from wastewater through physical, chemical, or biological process. Green agriculture. It is essential to have climate-friendly crops, efficient irrigation that reduces the need for water. Green agriculture is also crucial to limit the chemicals that enter the water. Posters developed by CPR Environmental Education Center on water scarcity and pollution. Posters developed by CPR Environmental Education Center. Save water. Water is the driver of nature. Conserve it. Books and pamphlets. Water, the elixir of life. Water, a book of facts and activities. Pamphlets, water sanitation and hygiene. Neerum Noigadum in Tamil. For more details on water, please browse to our website www.cpreec.org. Resource materials are available in Tamil and English. Please write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. Kindly subscribe us on YouTube CPREEC Chennai to get notifications. To join the next meeting, link will be shared shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp. Good evening, participants. For the remaining time, this session is open for discussions. Participants, you can unmute yourselves and talk to us. Participants, you can unmute yourselves and talk to us. For the remaining time, the session is open for discussion. Good evening, madam. Participants, you can unmute and ask your questions. For the remaining time, the session is open. Please unmute yourself and talk to us.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
I am Kumar Sangarlingam from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School.
Sir, please be louder, sir.
Hello, I am Kumar Sangarlingam from Magarishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Chetpat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, shall I ask questions, sir?
Yes, sir.
So in Chennai, what are the steps you take to control air pollution, sir?
See, there is no steps to control air pollution. It is actually the individual, and basically the government has given a lot of rules like using of vehicles and all those things. Say, for example, if we use two-stroke engines and three-stroke engines, it is a polluting agent. Mainly a lot of two-wheelers. And now this two-stroke engines like Activa type of vehicles where we are using more in the pandemic period, but everybody is using, and that is the one which is creating a lot of pollution is one. And controlling is there are, yes, government has given a lot of initiatives and it has taken a lot of efforts. And industries are now following certain emission rules. And this is one way the industries are now doing it. And there are pollution control boards which are looking into the matter. As an individual thing, what we can do is we can avoid individual transport and you can pull in. And public transport now, of course, due to pandemic, public transport is also is not encouraged for people to use. And what I suggest is we as an individual has to do a part in controlling the air pollution. Government is doing a bit and we also has to follow the rules. Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
you can
thank you,
send
sir.
the email to our email ID, cpreec@gmail.com.
Okay, sir.
You can visit
sir.
our
Thank you.
website, www.cprec.org.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Jayanti, madam. Tell me,
Good
madam.
evening, sir.
Yeah,
Good evening, sir. I'm P. Jayanti from Magarishi Vidya Mandir. Magarishi Vidya Mandir. I couldn't join at the beginning because of network issue. I joined 5 minutes later only. Could you please say your name, sir?
Madam, please be louder, madam. We are unable to
could
hear
you say
you,
more
madam.
about green agriculture, sir? Green agriculture. Hello, am I audible,
Yes,
sir?
yes, yes.
Could you say more about green agriculture, sir?
Green agriculture is nothing but traditional way of doing agriculture, practicing organic
Yes, sir.
farming and using less pesticides
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
fertilizers.
That's right,
Like all chemical fertilizers, what we call it as inorganic, and any green manure or anything which is traditional way, what we are doing earlier, like using local compost, and that is called green agriculture. Now that is the term which is being introduced for organic agriculture, and it's still popularizing.
Yes, sir. So, thank you, sir. Sir, could you please say your name? So sorry to disturb you. I joined late. I couldn't take a note. Could you please say your name, sir? Hello.
Yeah, please write your suggestion through email, madam.
Yes, sir.
This will be actually we'll be uploading it in the YouTube, and the link will be informed to you through WhatsApp, and you can download all the materials what we have given as a presentation. It will be there on the YouTube shortly.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And you can search in YouTube as CPREEC.
Okay, so the contents are so good,
Yeah.
sir.
In
The
YouTube search,
contents are
you can
so good.
subscribe also.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, could you please say your name, sir?
Could you please say your name, sir? We were not able to note down the name.
Good evening, sir. Could you please say your name, sir?
Yes. You are from which school, sir?
Magarishi Vidya Mandir only. We were asking for your name, sir, from the beginning.
Is there any specific reason? I am Dr. Sudhakar.
Yes, sir. Not the specific reason. We need to give the report. Since we were not able to join in the beginning, that introductory part we were not there. So we didn't know about the name of the resource person. That's the reason, sir. Nothing else.
Actually, this is the presenter is Mr. Srinivasan, who has done the presentation. And the answers were given by Dr. Sula, Executive Director.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you all participants.